Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a really crazy video on a Korean beauty hack called Jamsu. I'm sure you've seen videos or heard of it. What it is apply a face of makeup and dunk it in water in order to make it last all day and look flawless. If you want to learn more about it and see if this hack works, keep on watching. So just a little background on what Jamsu means is it basically translates to submerging. So we are going to put our primer, foundation, and concealer on as we normally would, and then we're going to take a generous layer of baby powder and we are going to pack that on our face, and then I'm going to dunk my head underwater for 15 to 30 seconds, and that is supposed to give you an airbrushed finish, and it's supposed to be matte and flawless and last all day. So if you have dry skin, you are supposed to aim for about 15 seconds. If you have oily skin, you would go for about 30 seconds. And a little disclaimer, I tried this the other day and I didn't have baby powder, so I didn't think that that was an important step. It was a total fail. Then I tried to do it the next day and I didn't like the primer and concealer and foundation combination that I used. So before I even did the dunking, I quit. And then I tried it again for a third time and it looked like shit. So I wanted to give it one last fair chance, thinking maybe it was the products that I was using. So I went back to my tried and true foundation combination, and I'll let you guys see the fourth go around. Okay, back for this is gonna be my last try at this. So I'm going in with the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer. It's moisturizing and it blurs pores, so we're gonna hope that works to our advantage. And I think this time around I am going to add more powder and I'm gonna like dunk the shit out of my head. So I am going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in shade 202. And this is an illuminating foundation. So because the powder is going to give us a matte look, I'm hoping that this helps. It can't get any worse. Okay, so we have the glow happening, and now I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics concealer, and this is in color 102. Okay guys, here we go. I'm going to take my little dish here again. Good thing I didn't dust the powder off my shirt already. And then I'm going to use this kind of a brush because I'm going to pack the powder on. And I'm going to do, I don't know if you're supposed to, but it looked really bad around my eyelids because I didn't have powder there. So I'm going to put powder on them. I might go blind, but it's worth it for you guys. Oh, so hard to breathe. My eyes aren't burning, in case you were wondering, so that's good. if it doesn't work this time, it's because it just doesn't work. It's not real. Because I have tried everything. Okay, guys, let's do this. Don't get electrocuted. Okay. Oh, God, that's hard. Shit. Got water all over the cords. Okay, I think that was 15 seconds. I feel like I did better that time. Okay, so my thoughts this time coming out of the bathroom. Obviously on my forehead, you can see it looks a little crazy. I'll kind of try and buff that out, but it looks a lot better this go around. Got some weird shit happening on the side of my face there. I'm gonna fix this up. I'm gonna change my shirt and I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back with my makeup finished and my final thoughts. I am speaking from the perspective of somebody that has dry skin. So my final opinion is this is just a waste of time. It doesn't work for me. My makeup, it might look okay from where I'm sitting, but it is really patchy. My bronzer and my highlight and my blush didn't go on any nicer. If anything, it went on patchy. I wanted this to work, but it didn't. So I recommend if you're looking for your makeup to last all day and look flawless, I recommend starting off with a really good primer. And for dry skin, these are the primers that I personally like. The Nivea Men's Shaving Balm in Sensitive Skin, the Farsali Unicorn Drops, the Bobbi Brown Face Base, and the First Aid Beauty Coconut Smoothing Primer. Those are my favorites. I put that on. I have a really good base to put my foundation on, and at the end of my application, I spray everything down with a setting spray just to really lock it in. So that is way easier to get the result that we were trying to achieve. So it was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. If you guys have any beauty hacks that you've ever heard of that you're wanting me to try, I would totally be game for it. So put those in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video.